Well, as you can see, it's turned into a really rainy day, rainy afternoon. So we're not going to do any projects out in the garden today. So I think what we're going to do, seeing that the winter heating season is on us, I think we're going to go down and clean the furnace, because there's no point in trying to do anything out in the garden. I got my compost pile started, and yeah, we'll do some inside chores today right now. So I'll meet you downstairs. So I head downstairs. We'll go down to the basement and check on the furnace over here. So you can see we're got the furnace open. Basically all we had to do was undo these two bolts. These two bolts, I don't know if you can see it with the light right there, but these two bolts there. This door flips open, and then that exposes the fire chamber. See the fire chamber right there, and it hasn't been cleaned. Probably it's been 2 years at least since it's been cleaned. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out these fire tube. I don't know what they're called actually, but you notice that there's a lot of junk in there. And so what we'll do is we'll pull that out and vacuum those guys out. And let's see. Excuse me while I turn this vacuum on. Alright, now that we've got all these holes cleaned out and got them vacuumed out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. I have it's almost basically nothing more than like a bristle brush, bottle brush or whatever, that's designed to fit in these holes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean out each and every one of these individually. So that, and I'm only going to, you see that piece of tape that I have on my rod there? I know that's as far as I dare to go with that, because I don't want to injure the backing in the firebox. So I'm only going to go as far as that piece of tape right there. So anyway, that's the nature of this process here. Now, you may not want to try this at home, and although I am not a licensed boiler man, I've seen the people that do this, and I don't see that there's anything special about it, except for being careful, knowing what you're doing, and just attention to detail. So anyway, I'll just keep cleaning these guys out, and I'll give this another vac, close the door up, and we should be good to go for the year.